Are you frustrated with ads on your Windows PC? Do you keep seeing pop-ups even when no website is open? Or you might be seeing full-screen ads with no close button? If any of that sounds familiar, your computer may be infected with adware. But here's the problem. Many people remove the obvious symptoms only to have the ads come back days later. Because modern adware doesn't always install like traditional malware. It often hides in places most users never think to check. And before this video is over, I'll show you one of the most overlooked locations where adware survives, even after people think they've removed it. Let's get started. Adware is software designed to display unwanted advertisements on your computer. It can inject ads into websites, redirect your searches, change browser settings, and sometimes even track your browsing activity. Years ago, adware usually appeared as a normal installed program. Today, it often hides inside browser extensions, notification permissions, startup entries, and scheduled tasks. The good news is that most adware infections can be removed completely if you know where to look. Many users think they have adware when the real problem is browser notification spam. Some websites trick people into clicking allow on notification requests. Once allowed, they can send endless advertisements directly to your desktop. In Chrome, open Settings, then Privacy and Security, Site Settings, and Notifications. In Edge, open Settings, go to Privacy, Search, and Services. Then click on Site Permissions. Click on All Permissions and then Notifications. Go to the Allowed section and remove any websites that you don't want to receive notifications. For many people, the problem actually ends here. But if you're still seeing ads, let's keep digging. One of the most common places modern adware hides is inside browser extensions. Open your extensions page. Look through everything installed. Remove anything suspicious, unnecessary, or installed shortly before the problem started. Pay special attention to coupon tools, search assistants, PDF converters, shopping extensions, browser enhancement tools. These categories appear surprisingly often in adware investigations. It is most likely that you find an extension without the remove button. Don't worry, you can still remove this, but you have to follow some more steps. That's what we're doing next. Some adware prevents extensions from being removed by creating browser policies. In Chrome, type Chrome:/policy, hit enter. In Edge browser, replace Chrome with Edge. If you are seeing here some policy like default search provider or extension install force list, then it means the adware has created some entries in your registry. Don't worry if you find suspicious policies. We'll track down the source shortly. Adware alters the Windows registry to prevent you from uninstalling the extension. Note that if your PC is part of an organization, such as school, office, or government organization, you won't be able to undo these. If you try further, your PC might get broken. It is better to contact the IT department of your organization and let them handle it. Press the Windows key +R, type regedit, and press enter. Navigate to H key, local machine, software, policies, and open the Google in case of Chrome or Microsoft if your browser is Edge. Then go to respective folder. Here, when I clicked on the Chrome key, it is showing different keys inside named Default Search Provider. You need to delete them all. Then check the Extension Install Force List folder. Delete all the keys from here too. Once removed, the browser extension lock should instantly disappear. But we're not done yet, because many adware now includes a second persistence method that can reinstall everything after reboot. Open Settings and go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Sort the installed programs by install date. Look for anything you don't recognize or never intentionally installed. Pay close attention to software that appeared around the same time the problem started. Be especially cautious of fake PDF tools, driver updaters, browser assistants, system optimization utilities. Removing the source often prevents the infection from returning later. If ads seem to come back every time you restart your PC, this section is important. Right-click on the taskbar and launch the Task Manager. Select the Startup Apps tab. Review the list and disable anything suspicious or unnecessary. This prevents unwanted software from launching automatically during startup. But startup apps aren't the only way adware survives reboots. There's another location that's often overlooked, which I promised you in the start. This is one of the most commonly missed locations during adware removal. Modern adware frequently creates scheduled tasks that reopen ads, reinstall extensions, or restore settings you've already removed. Open the Start menu and search for Task Scheduler. Check the Task Scheduler library. Look for tasks that launch browsers automatically, run PowerShell commands, were recently created, have unusual or random names. If you find something suspicious, delete it. Be careful not to remove legitimate Windows tasks. For many stubborn adware infections, this is the hidden piece that keeps bringing the problem back. At this point, we have checked various sources where the adware could reside. Still, modern adware could go so deep in your system that we cannot manually detect. We need an expert for this situation, and that is MalwareFox Anti-Malware, capable of detecting modern threats such as adware, info stealers, trojans, rats, and others. Download the MalwareFox from the link in the description. Install it and run the full scan. You can see it is very aggressive in catching the threats. There is a dedicated browser cleanup tool in here. This tool detects unwanted extensions and settings installed in your browser. If this guide helped you remove adware from your computer, leave a like and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.